Hey everybody, I am just uploading this video just to give you a quick update and recap and to apologize. This week has been a week. My curls are disheveled, I am disheveled, I am operating on exhaustion and copious amounts of caffeine. Everything is going as well as can be expected. Nan is getting better, she's in rehab, but I'm burning it from both ends, working, trying to get videos up and spending time with her every day because we know, one, because we want her to know that we care, and we do, and two, we want to let the staff know at the rehab center where she is at, they're watching, that we are watching her. We are there. We are present family. So, and it kind of like subliminally saying, yeah, we're watching you, but it's not that we really are, but we bounce in, they're really happy, Skippy, and say hi and ask everybody how they're doing and all of that. So I know how to work the program to make sure that she's taken care of, and she's a sweet lady, and she's my husband's mother. I'm going to work the program, but I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm a pooped pigeon, and I have been plagued this week by technical difficulties with getting videos up. I am working on the third time I have to render two of the videos that should have gone up days ago. I feel compelled. I need to apologize, you guys, for all this. I am sorry that I don't like to not be able to do any of this. I can't even get mail calls up. That's how bad it is. That's crazy for that to happen. So I just want to let you guys know I haven't forgotten about you. I haven't abandoned you. I am so sorry. It will get better. I've gotten one re-rendered now that I'm not kidding you. I shot last Sunday and it's Friday. So that should go up. It should post. I think I'm going to post this one first, and then the next video you'll see is that one. And then I have two mail calls, and Steve just told me there was a couple of packages at the house that he's bringing. One of them is copy paper I need for work. How exciting, right? But the other one is, I don't know what it is. I'm expecting two packages from Spellbinders. So one of them is the total package, but looking at the date, no, it's not due to come out for another 5 days. I think they ship on the 18th. So it'll still be, but I did order the Aqua Platinum 6. So I'm just like excited, to see if that's what it is. But I'm working on stuff, or trying to, but I am this week. I'm not kidding. I'm just plain out exhausted, just tired. And right now I'm even not on location 1. I'm on location 2 because Steve has gone over to his mom's house. We're all going to see his mom today, but I'm over at my sister's house because my brother-in-law took her away for her birthday this weekend. So I am here taking care of my mom and my niece. So, and spending time with both of them. I picked up niece from science camp today, and tomorrow I have my other sister from another mother coming over and staying with my mom so that I can take my niece to an SCA event. For those of you who are uneducated, the Society of Creative Anachronism. It's my other hobby, which is medieval. I belong to a medieval reenactment group, living history. And she's geeky like her aunt. So she's looking forward to doing this tomorrow with me. So I'm going to do that and then come back and resume mom duty. And they will come back tomorrow night. And then I'll go back to the house and resume nan duty. And I still have to make room. There's so much to do. It's just like, I don't know. I have to make space because we got to bring over make the downstairs for her to be able, if she comes home before we get the stair lift installed, get that fixed up. I don't know that you guys really care. But I feel that at the very least I owe an explanation for this disappearing act this week, because it's not that every day I have not tried to upload a video. This is crazy. I'm like I said, I'm having to re-render a second video for the second time. This is just nuts. So I have read all of your messages. I have been really bad at replying. Please forgive me. Do not think I have not read them. I have. I am just behind, and I am just tired. Last night I didn't even go to bed. I fell asleep in the recliner and woke up this morning in the recliner. So there you go. It just is. And the video didn't render anyway. I'm just like, anyway. So, there it is. It's just, more of my usual crazy. But I did want to share with me or share with you. And maybe over the weekend, maybe next week. I would like, this is the other thing. I would like to know if you guys are interested in me and maybe next weekend. This weekend, unless maybe on Sunday. So guys, if you see this, let me know if there's interest and people are available to do like a Zoom crop, because I'll throw up a link, because I'll be here on Sunday. I have no plans. So we can craft together, work something. Maybe I'll work up a card real quick and I'll just do it live. And that way I don't have to stress trying to get something done in crunch time. We could just chit chat and I can work at the same time. I don't know. We'll see. So give me your thoughts on that, okay? I'd appreciate it. But I am gonna try to make this long. What I was gonna be only a couple of minutes. It's not going on 5. Cut this off. But I just wanted to come in and say I have not stopped thinking about you guys, really, and I thank you so much for all the wonderful, kind comments that you guys have sent. Really, they have meant a lot to me. So I want you to know that I appreciate that. And I have relayed to Nan all your prayers and good wishes. And that has tickled her teal like me. So thank you so much, guys. Hang in there, okay? I will be back. It's going to be crazy for a little bit. It's going to be a rocky road, and I'm just taking it a day at a time. And know that I appreciate you. Know that I really do love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. And meanwhile, do it for me, okay? Go out there and craft. I am itching, and hopefully I'll get back into myself. So you guys craft for me, okay? Have a great one, and don't forget, we are all a little mad here, okay? Including me. I've got the corner on the market, all right? So let's all craft madness together, okay? I'm talking to you guys later. Bye.